Welcome to the channel today. This is channel number 2 for Little Birdie Travel, where I show you raw clips unedited from my travels. So today in this video we're in Morelia, Mexico, and this is the fireworks show at the Morelia Cathedral, and this happens at Saturday nights at 9 p.m. every Saturday in Morelia. So enjoy the fireworks show, and if you want tips on visiting Morelia, check out the website littlebirdietravel.com and my main travel channel, Little Birdie Travel. There goes a light show. That was so pretty. So check that out on Saturdays at 9 o'clock at the cathedral.